beautiful people, what's going on, y'all? Man, it's been a long time since we done one of these, and I'm excited, y'all. If you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by DReedsHeat, and today you're gonna see me do something we do often, and that's unbox a sneaker. But it's gonna be a little different today, y'all. I'm adding something new to the collection, so I'm gonna need a little bit of y'all help. So without further ado, y'all, let's put it in the mix.
I've been dreaming about you forever. Now that I have you, I'm thinking to myself, this must be.
Straight out the box, y'all, we get that original packaging with that Nike on every single side. Yes. And we have the Nike Blazer Mid GS. Hold up, y'all. I know y'all seen the corner of my box. What are we doing, Nike? Man, good thing I got these drop fronts behind me, right? Okay, official colorway is Battle Blue, Laser Orange, size 7Y. They have personal pair, and this retails at $80. Yes, as you see, I added a Nike blazer to the collection, y'all. I'm gonna try to hold my judgment until the end, y'all. Y'all know how I am. I like to give the sneaker a fair opportunity. But before we get into this, y'all, let me loosen up these laces, because there's no way we gonna even get into the insole, how tight they got these things laced. I just don't get Listen, I mean, you can't even breathe. More that way. All right, there we go. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Now that that's out the way, let's get into this sneaker. Starting with that outer sole, we have a white dominant base. As we move into the midsole, we still have that white tone. And then when we get into the upper, guys, these variations in colors is what really drew me to this sneaker. Y'all know I love vibrant colors, y'all. So as we get into the upper of the sneaker, we have a blue dominated upper panel, and then we get that laser orange Nike check, and we do get a hint of teal right here, y'all. The eyelets are going to be purple on this side. Now, everything about this sneaker is going to be different, but just looking at the quality, it is a synthetic leather, a lot of premium materials, y'all, and I'm not mad about this $80. I'm gonna say that right now. I am not mad about the $80. Moving around to the front of the sneaker, we get that white toe box that's leather as well. Moving up that tongue, the tongue is going to be black, and as we get to the top, let me get in there, we get that pink tab with the black Nike, and then the check is going to be lime green. Now, we do only get white laces with this. I'm not mad about that either. Okay, so there's a lot of things that I'm pretty happy with. I think with this particular sneaker, there's so much that's already going on, so many color variations, that if I were to swap out the laces, I just think that it would just oversaturate the sneaker and just be a little bit too much. So I'm definitely sticking with the white laces. Okay, moving to the medial side of the sneaker, we do get a different color variation. So we have a upper panel that's dominated by the teal color, and then the Nike check is going to be purple on this side. The eyelets are going to be that laser orange color. Okay, now when we get to the back, everything comes together. This is where everything meets, guys. Now straight down the middle, we get that pink strip that flows right to the top, and the Nike is going to be in that lime green variation again, and the insole is black, and that sock liner is laser orange. Okay. Can I be completely honest with y'all? I can't really speak as far as the comfort level goes, okay? Because I've never had a pair of blazers. I haven't even put these on my feet yet, so I'm not certain. I do love the color variation. Absolutely love it. Y'all know I am the type of person who loves things that stand out, so I'm drawn to it. The materials, premium, okay? I don't know if this is something that I'm really sold on, as far as me being able to say I'm definitely copying more blazers later on down the line. And that's why I say I really need you guys' help. I want you to drop me a comment and let me know, for my very first pair of blazers, was this the best colorway to cop, or is there something else out there that's a little bit better? Is there a different color variation that will kind of, you know, sell me on it, right? Is this a sneaker that I really need to put on my radar for later on down the line? The drop front is gonna get saved for a different sneaker. So this will definitely go back in the box until I find something to kind of swag it out with. And, you know, maybe give it a shot. But I want you guys to let me know what's your thoughts. If you are new to the channel, once again, I appreciate you stopping by DReedsHeat. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. For everyone that is returning, I appreciate your continued support. Guys, it had been a long time since we did an unboxing, but I am glad I was able to do this with you guys, share this experience. Now, before we get out of here, y'all know there's a couple things I need y'all to do. I need y'all to make sure y'all hit that like button and also subscribe and turn on that notification bell so y'all can stay up to date on everything that I put out, okay? With all of that out the way, it's time to get into that on foot, y'all.
I only have a few nights in town, and the only one I want is you. It's been a while since I've been around, I know. I just wanna spend this time with you. So don't tell me you got plans. I gotta make up for this lost time, and I'm late. Trying to get back to you.